Alright, we're good. The tire is full of air. And welcome to another Xterra video where I work my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So on today's video I'm actually not working on my truck, I'm actually was working on this car. And to be precise, I was changing the CV axle, because on this car this CV axle went bad, so I was changing it. I didn't record any of this because I don't know, maybe you guys don't care about this kind of car or any other car, so I didn't record anything. But you guys let me know if you want to see any other work, if I do it on any other cars, do you want me to record it or not. But this is pretty much similar process as when I was working and replacing the axle seal on my truck. Is pretty much the same. It's a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same, so you can always check that out. But what I want to record today is actually a small repair of a tire. So as you can see, I have a pretty nasty looking nail over here, so I want to pull it out and I want to try to fix this tire myself. I picked up this repair kit, hopefully it works good, but if you guys have any suggestions for better kits that I can use and keep it in my truck and use it on a trail or anywhere, please do let me know. But for now I want to try to use this one, so let's see what happens. Alright, to begin with, let's remove this nail from here. Oh, it's actually a screw, a pretty nasty looking screw. So now we're gonna take this reamer tool and we're gonna clean up this hole. We're gonna push it in, push it out to roughen this hole up. Now the next step is to take the one with the needle and we're gonna take the short pieces, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna be enough for this. Now the easiest way is to push this into the eye of a needle. It's just with your hands, just squeezing it and push it slowly one by one. So now I'm gonna apply the cement, the rubber cement that is provided with it, and then we just have to stick it inside there. So I just made a little hole in the tubing and now I'm just spraying it all across this this plug. Hopefully it's gonna be enough. It smells pretty horrible. Very toxic, so don't breathe too much of it, guys. Hopefully that should be more than enough. Now we have to just push it all the way, almost all the way inside there, like halfway. All right, that should do it. Now I just have to yank it out to make sure it stays in there. There we go. All right, so now we just let's just cut all this extra stuff. Perfect. All right, so this is patched up, so now let's just put the air in the tire. Now I'm so glad that I finally have an air compressor. It's not fully set up yet the way I want it. I will get to it eventually, but I'm happy I have it. So now let's inflate the tire and check for any air leaks. All right, we're good. The tire is full of air. Some soapy water, let's just spray over here and check for some air leaks. And I don't see any bubbles, so that's pretty good. I'm happy. So now we're just gonna put the tire back on and that's it. I finally have an air compressor. I'm very happy with this air compressor. I'm still gonna do some modifications to it, but nothing crazy probably, but I'm happy I have it. And I'm glad I can repair the tires on my own now. But if you have any better suggestions for repair kits, please leave them in the comments. I'll gladly take a look at them and probably buy them, of course. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you might find it helpful. And as always, until next time, everybody, bye.